Hello and a very warm welcome to everyone. I am Rajesh Bhartiya, founder and CEO of Prototech Solutions and Chief Product Officer of 3D MeasureUp. I have a multidisciplinary engineering background, and since last 2 decades, I have helped design and develop numerous 3D applications spanning various domains such as design, manufacturing, agriculture, mining, architecture, etc. I am a part of the leadership team at 3D MeasureUp, arguably one of the most impacting products I have helped create in my career. I founded Prototech in 2005 with a vision to help software companies build 3D applications and quickly get their ideas to the market. In last 15 years, we have spent 3,000 plus staff months on developing software and successfully executed over 190 projects. We are one of the rare Indian companies who work in extreme cutting-edge technology of 3D visualization and engineering graphics. No wonder our client list is adorned with 80 plus marquee clients such as Autodesk, Siemens, Hexagon, all industry leaders. We have Microsoft using our products. Not only that, when a Google X company needed 3D expertise for their moonshot project, they relied on our team of experts. Our clients are spread all over the globe, from Japan to Peru to Canada. We have helped companies from 55 different countries of the world with their 3D applications. One of the most innovative and cutting-edge products that has come out of Prototech Labs is 3D MeasureUp. It's an epitome of what we call bleeding edge of technology. Complex geometry algorithms, latest machine learning techniques, image processing, cloud architecture, 3D graphics, and even Da Vinci's human anatomical research has gone into making of this product. So what is 3D MeasureUp? We are a perfect body scan measurement platform. We do automatic landmark identification and extract measurements from 3D body scans. We can take a photo or better yet a 3D scan and provide you all the different measurements such as waist, height, chest, over 100 measurements that can be used in many applications, right from fashion to gaming to health and fitness. We use sophisticated machine learning techniques to quickly and accurately identify body features and compute the measurements. We also calculate surface area and volume useful for apparel industry. We also do automatic alignment. What's more, we do support custom landmarks and measurements. You can easily export the measurements to an Excel sheet or a PDF file. We do not have any enormous setup costs, and our pricing model for all offerings are fair and usage based. That makes us one of the most affordable solutions in the market today. We take confidentiality very seriously. We use the data only and only for measurement extraction. We do not use our customer data to train our machine learning algorithms. 3D MeasureUp technology can be leveraged by you in 3 different ways. As an end user, you can use our web application which runs on any platform or a device in a browser to perform standard and custom measurements. This is ideal for retail users and designers. As an OEM app, you can quickly create your own branded web application deriving from our web application. Any web developer should be able to create one in a matter of days. This is ideal for 3D scanning companies to offer their own branded measurement app bundled with their hardware. As an API, we have APIs which can be called from your application or web service. These REST APIs are very simple and easy to integrate. These are useful for the companies who want to add value to their existing application by incorporating body measurements feature. To summarize, 3D MeasureUp is a human body measurement platform which uses a wide range of sophisticated technology to quickly provide accurate measurements. It's compatible with practically all the scanners in the market and can be used on any device or operating system. It can be used in multiple ways and it's extremely affordable. 3D MeasureUp is being used by many companies and individuals from all over the globe. We have one of the world's leading manufacturers of size dummies based in Delhi as our customer. Another company is based in Sweden. They are into fitness industry. A renowned industry veteran in made-to-measure fashion space based in Canada also uses 3D MeasureUp. These are just a few examples. So how and where exactly 3D MeasureUp can be used? You would be surprised to know the kind of use cases we get for 3D MeasureUp. The most obvious one is in the fashion industry to make sure the clothes you buy are right fit. I'll share some very interesting statistics on this later on. For now, let me continue with the use cases. 3D MeasureUp is used by one company which prints life-size dummies. We all have been to gyms, right? The only thing we look at it is how much weight we have lost. But that's not what fitness is all about. It's also how your body shape changes over time. You lose the fat and you gain the muscles. 3D MeasureUp is a perfect platform for you to track these changes in the body shape as you work out. Protective kits for medical, fire and law enforcement professionals, that's another use case. Uniforms for healthcare, hospitality industry. In medical field, we have orthotics and prosthetics manufacturing and plastic surgery departments. Here's another interesting one. There's a company based in Netherlands which manufactures socks for horse riders. Can we get any more niche than this? Now let's look at some interesting numbers. Isn't it mind-boggling that over $62 billion worth of apparel and footwear are returned? Not because quality, but because it doesn't fit. This makes it over 2/3 of customers returning products because of incorrect fit. 23% of all clothing purchases get returned. And worse still, a lot of these returned merchandise, especially ones bought online, go into the landfill. Yes, they are not restocked as you might think. They are simply dumped. The damage to economy pales in comparison to the damage to the environment. Have you waited in a queue in front of a trial room while your spouse is trying to find one size smaller? Here are some more shocking numbers. 46% people hate fitting rooms. 85% people will buy more if you assure them a proper fit. Many brands are losing customers just because their fit sizes are inconsistent or unpredictable. What's worse, these are 2016 numbers. 2020 numbers are going to be way higher. When it comes to shoes and clothes, I have always trusted brick and mortar stores. But that was before first lockdown in March 2020. The new normal has forced me to move on from retail to e-tail, literally for everything, t-shirts, shoes or even socks. We at 3D MeasureUp strongly believe that this is a solvable problem. The technology is there. We as companies and consumers just need to take that leap, change our bad habits. We have to do this for our next generation. And this is where our technology can help the e-commerce players. We help the shoppers choose the perfect fitting garment or footwear every time they shop. No hit and miss game at all. Now that you know about 3D MeasureUp, let me share how it all began. We've been working in the 3D space for over 2 decades. 3D product development is traditionally associated with desktop development, and most tools are available for desktops. So when we had this idea of automatic body measurement in 2015, we built the first version of 3D MeasureUp as a desktop product. Very typical, you download it and install it, then you activate the license which is locked to the hardware device. We did get a very good response from the market. More than 50 customers proved that there was a value in the product, and when they renewed regularly, we were confident that we have a solution fit for the mass market. But the challenge was the market reach. The desktop product had its own typical limitations. For our prospects, it was very difficult to try our product without a cumbersome email exchange. This resulted in a slow sales funnel. The time to convert from a lead to a purchase was long and required a lot of follow-up from the sales team. the licensing and piracy protection was always a challenge. The perpetual license wasn't good for ROI, and node lock licenses weren't liked by the customers. Another limitation of the desktop application was that we never got any insights into the usage patterns, such as frequently used features, etc. It was also difficult to deploy newer versions immediately to all the customers. To remain ahead of the game, we also needed to use the machine learning. Deploying it on the customer's platform was a challenge, as it required infrastructure which wasn't standard and did not justify investments. That's why we decided to move our product to the cloud. 3D MeasureUp as a SaaS platform overcomes most of the limitations of its predecessor, desktop-based 3D MeasureUp. The SaaS model offers ability to design a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which increases the market penetration. It makes us more accessible as it is available as an API, a web application, and an OEM widget. It is easily extensible and can readily be integrated with other products in the ecosystem. And finally, it is possible to support continuous improvements. Let us dive a little deep into our SaaS journey. As you know, the fundamental elements of a SaaS platform are scalable and always available application or service subsystem, user management, developer or provider subsystem to support continuous improvement and monitoring, security framework to inherently support GDPR and PII guidelines, infrastructure to enable availability, security, performance, reliability, and all this at an acceptable cost. We had a proven idea and a selling desktop product. We needed a platform that would enable us to move it to the cloud without adding overhead of the SaaS platform. We are a 3D company and wanted the platform to support the non-core functionality. The next question was how to do it without stretching our resources. There are many models to make this transition from desktop to a cloud. Some suggest moving from a provisioned installation to a virtual appliance, then moving the virtual appliance to the cloud and refactoring it gradually to a cloud native setup. Other approach is to set up the cloud instances like the desktop environment. Each customer has an instance, then moving on to the shared instances and then to load balance instances. This makes sense if the product is complex and has many subsystems. Also, in the case where the utilization of the resources is high. In case of 3D MeasureUp, the subsystems were designed to be simple. Most of the desktop users did not want to move to the cloud, at least they were not ready yet. The number of users wanting an online solution outnumbered our existing install base. Since the measurements are required on demand, the resource utilization was expected to be intermittent. That meant the idle time of compute-intensive instances was on the higher side. Plus, to handle spikes, we needed to have a large number of servers up and running. We would rather invest in creating the value than pay for the idle infra. We decided to rewrite the code. We could do that since we could leverage our 3D development skills on different platforms like Windows, mobile, and web. This gave us an option to migrate to the most appropriate architecture for the backend, a simple serverless microservice architecture. Well, it is almost serverless. There are a few instances there. They are stateless. The next step was, where do we build this? Dockers, cloud services, Kubernetes, it's a jungle out there. AWS is easiest to get started and is quite accessible. Also, a lot of elements of the SaaS platform can be quickly assembled using AWS services. For example, an authenticated API can be set up easily using the API gateway. Lambda is very good for implementing the computational logic, and S3 as a permanent and temporary file store makes life easy. A number of benchmark architectures are available on AWS website. This simplified our decision making. AWS APN support and guidance by solution architects helped us optimize the service for cost performance. Reviews by the solution experts gave us confidence in our architecture and freed us to focus on what we do best, 3D vision to visualization. Now let's understand a bit more of the architecture. The customer accesses the service using the web application. The user first uploads 3D model to visualize the measurements. The measurements are retrieved by accessing the 3D MeasureUp API service. This is typically used by small boutiques or research setups. In another usage scenario, a larger customer, which is typically a company, uses the API to build their own application or service. They load a scan by passing an HTTP URL of a cloud store like S3 or Google Drive. The measurements are retrieved by using a polling endpoint or a webhook. The measurements are then pushed to a workflow of an automated supply chain. The API is authenticated using API keys. The core of 3D MeasureUp has 4 subsystems: API endpoint, computational logic deployed on Lambda, load balanced ML interface service, and last, S3 bucket used as a store for measurements and 3D models. The API is served from an API gateway which manages the authentication and logging of requests. The Lambda functions are implemented using Node.js. Lambda layers made it easy for us to manage common code. All models and their measurements are stored in a S3 bucket. The models are deleted automatically using S3 lifecycle configuration. This makes asynchronous calls straightforward and makes it easy for us to comply with GDPR regulations. We used AWS GPU instances to train the ML models. We found TensorFlow suitable for training our models. For ML inference, that is identifying landmarks, we do not need a GPU. Hence, a regular EC2 instance was sufficient. The ML model returned the response within 5 to 10 seconds depending upon the 3D scan. The ML instance is load balanced to take care of any spikes or failures in the ML service. 3D MeasureUp web app is a simple HTML plus JavaScript application. There is a little use of jQuery. This is done on purpose as the web application is also used as an OEM component and can be custom branded. We always believe that a simple platform makes integration simpler. The application is deployed on a S3 bucket accessible via CloudFront. The application connects to the API using simple AJAX calls. With the application and its backend set up, the next thing is to set up a billable customer management system. 3D MeasureUp is a multi-tenant platform. That is, the same resources are securely accessed by a number of customers. This enables economy of scale on operations. A customer service manages customer registration and subscription. It is a typically serverless app with a DynamoDB as a backend. The service enables or disables a customer API key depending upon the subscription status. CloudWatch makes the challenge of distributed logging simpler. We have a unique ID per customer session which helps us track the request across different services. For deeper diagnosis, we use CloudWatch Insights. An internal dashboard allows the ops and sales team manage customers and monitor their usage. The best thing that SaaS model enabled was customer driven development. We plan our sprint based on the customer request and deliver them. Since the results are validated by the customers and they serve a real need, the product value is more tangible than speculative. It also makes planning easier, less risky, and less stressful for sure. With the desktop model, most of our customers were retail users. That changed with SaaS. We now have prospects from all sectors: apparel, defense, protective wears, medicine, etc. The customers are either end users, OEM users, application developers, or researchers. Quite interesting and very fulfilling. The reach of the application can be easily extended by engaging with partners. SaaS model enables partners to find us and try out 3D MeasureUp. This gives them the confidence to work with us. The different options to use API or a whitelisted web application or an OEM app makes integration possible. In fact, we are co-working with some partners to build new value propositions. In a few other cases, we are also co-marketing their products. Okay, after all this, where are we? What have we achieved? Where did we reach? We now have customers from all continents, places where we didn't expect to reach, such as Iraq, Vietnam, Chile, etc. And all this is organic. The customers are finding us, trying the product and subscribing. And indeed, India too is a great market for 3D MeasureUp. We have at least 2000 measurements retrieved daily. We are adding new features every month, and these latest releases are available to each and every user. Some of our desktop customers see more value and comfort in web application. They are shifting to cloud. Excited? Ready to check it out? Let's take a quick tour of 3D MeasureUp. Now that we are able to reach new places, what's next? It's more convergence. We are working towards making the service as low touch as possible. Customer portal with a number of DIY solutions is a priority. To be more customer focused, we are changing our service level objectives. Rather than having the service uptime as a metric, which is mostly the measure of the infra, and no doubt AWS does a great job of it, we will be measuring the number of successful and usable responses. This makes the value of the service more visible and real. It's been a very exciting journey so far, and we are now looking forward for more. Thank you very much, and please do visit us at www.3dmeasureUp.com.